If the business isn't performing well, if it's not growing, key people, talent just really is going to look somewhere else. The interdependency of the succession matrix, and we look at business performance and we see what kind of impact that has on other areas of the matrix. As an example, personal financial planning. If the business is not performing well and doesn't continue to perform well, and in fact doesn't increase its performance, it can impact a business owner's ability to build personal liquidity. The business owner's tendency, because that business is their baby, their tendency is to reinvest in building the business. They're going to put everything back into the business. And so they don't do the things necessary to build their personal liquidity, their personal wealth apart from the business, so that when it does come time to transition and execute an exit strategy and let go of the business, they're not financially dependent on it anymore. And so performance is about getting the business owner prepared to be able to step away from the business without having his tentacles, his iron grip around the business. It's really hard when somebody's financially dependent on their business. They tend to grip it really tight and they don't want to let it go. And so that passing of the baton becomes really difficult. And so business performance has an impact directly on other areas of the matrix like that. Business performance has an impact on the ability to attract talent and build depth in the team. If the business isn't performing well, if it's not growing, key people, talent just really is going to look somewhere else. They don't want to be a part of that. Most talented people want to be part of something that's growing and going and moving forward, not something that's just stagnant and stable. So business performance has a huge impact on all of the other areas of the matrix. It also impacts, I think, sort of indirectly, maybe more directly than I'm aware of even, the attraction to the next generation of family members. If the business is a high-performing environment, that's something that is naturally attractive to the next generation of family members.